are going to do our general knowledge activity. So can you please tell me that what is the name of this activity? Yes, the name of this activity is nature walk. Now we will go outside for nature walk. Come outside. Hurry up, hurry up. So now we are outside for our activity. So students, you have to find the dirt. Firstly, you have to find the dirt. Okay, go. Have you find? Yeah, show me with the dirt. Yes, all of you. Firstly, you have to find the dirt, not floor. Have you find the dirt? Show me. Yeah, this is okay. Mark the hit. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay, mark it. Yes. Good, good, good. Where are the leaves? Yes. Yes. Good. Yes, good. Okay, take the leaf. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, go and find the flowers. Go and find the flowers. Hurry up, fast. Where are the flowers? Where are the flowers? Yes, wow. Wow, yes. Yes, okay. Take करते हैं. हाँ फेंक दे. Side पे करते हैं. Go and find the spider. Spider. Good, good, good. Go and find the spider. Butterfly, where is butterfly? Yes, we have find butterfly. Okay, 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 we have find it. Okay, okay, Gee. No spider, then cross it. If you haven't find the spider, then cross it. But we have find the butterfly, so take it. कर लिया, good. Mushrooms, find the mushrooms. No, washroom नहीं, mushrooms. No, no, no. Have you find? Show me, where is ant? Okay. Okay, okay, you have find the ant? Take it. You haven't mushroom? Fine. Okay. Cross it. If you haven't find the mushroom, cross it. Okay, find the next one. No, then cross it. Find the bird. It's not chidiya. It's crow. Find the bee, bache. Hurry up. Yes, honeybee. Find. It's honey. Yes, butterfly. Where is butterfly? Yes. Find the bee. You haven't find the bee? Then cross it. Okay, what's the next one? Yes. Show me. Okay. Take it. Come now. The next one is, where is the tree? Where is the tree, Hamna? Yeah. Okay. Take it. Okay, 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 good. Clouds. Where are the clouds? There is no cloud. There is cloud? No cloud. Then cross it. Cross it. We haven't find the clouds today. Okay? What's the last one? What is this? What is this? Grass. Where is the grass? Yes. We have find the grass. Umayma, come here. Where is the grass?